Ever find yourself stumped on what to whip up for your next meal while sticking to your carnivore diet? A well-planned meal prep routine might be your saving grace. Here's a simple yet delectable one-week carnivore diet meal plan to keep your taste buds intrigued and your body fueled. Kickstart your week on day 1 with a hearty breakfast of scrambled eggs and bacon. When lunch rolls around, delight in some grilled chicken thighs, seasoned with just the right amount of salt and pepper. Round off your day with a succulent ribeye steak, accompanied by a side of sautéed spinach bathed in butter for dinner. On day 2, wake up to an omelette filled with cheese and ham. For lunch, savor a salmon fillet baked to perfection with a hint of lemon and herbs. Dinner brings a mouth-watering beef burger patty topped with melted cheese and a side of grilled asparagus. Day 3 begins with sausage links and scrambled eggs. Lunch offers you pork chops, seasoned with garlic and herbs. Dinner presents grilled lamb chops alongside a comforting side of cauliflower mash. Day 4 begins with bacon-wrapped sausages. A refreshing tuna salad with mayo and chopped pickles awaits you for lunch, while dinner serves up grilled shrimp skewers and a side of crunchy coleslaw. Day 5 offers a classic breakfast combo of steak and eggs. Lunch is all about chicken drumsticks baked with an array of spices. Dinner features beef ribs, slow-cooked in a tangy barbecue sauce. On day 6, breakfast sausage patties and fried eggs grace your breakfast plate. Lunch serves up turkey breast slices with a fresh side of sliced cucumbers. Dinner is a pan-seared duck breast, complemented by a side of steamed broccoli. Finally, on day 7, enjoy ham and cheese roll-ups for breakfast. Lunch introduces a nutrient-dense beef liver cooked in butter. Dinner is a celebration with grilled lobster tails, served with a side of garlic butter sauce. Remember, the key to a successful meal prep routine is to adjust portion sizes according to your dietary needs and goals. Don't shy away from adding variety by incorporating different cuts of meat and experimenting with a myriad of seasonings and cooking methods. And above all, ensure you stay hydrated throughout the week. This carnivore meal plan not only simplifies your meal prep routine, but also ensures you're fueling your body with high-quality protein and fats. The benefits are bountiful, from improved muscle mass and strength to enhanced mental clarity and focus. Plus, the sheer variety of meals keeps your diet exciting and enjoyable. So embark on this culinary journey and revel in the simplicity and flavor of the carnivore diet. Your body and taste buds will thank you.